Arshi and welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm so excited because it's Christmas Eve and I have another amazing DIY. So guys, in today's DIY I'm going to be doing a DIY home decoration, Christmas home decoration with waste cups. So without further, let's get started the video. Let's go. Let's make a Christmas bell for wall decoration. For this you will be needing a golden spray paint, scissor, wool, a cup, stapler, needle and a designer red ribbon. So let's get started. First take a cup like this, then spray it golden. After spraying, it will look like this. Look so real gold it looks. Now let's make ribbon for the bell. Fold the ribbon like this. Then fold it like this. From the other side too. Then staple it. After making the bow, cut the ends in V shape. Then staple the bow on the bell. After stapling the bow, it will look like this. Then take wool and needle and make a hole on the bell. Then take the wool and put inside the hole and tie a knot. And now Christmas bell is ready. Now let's make a Santa drinking cup. Take 2 cups, scissor, 2 black buttons, velvet red paper, glue and a red marker. Next take 2 cups and mark a line like this, equal line. After doing, it will look like this. Then take red velvet paper and cover it. After covering, it will look like this. Then take 2 black buttons and paste them like this. And your Santa drinking cup is ready. Let's make a Christmas tree table decoration. For this you will needing up a cup, green paint, pom-poms, golden paper for star, glue and a scissor. So let's get started. Paint this glass with green paint. After painting, it will look like this. Let it to dry. Then make a star on the golden paper. Then cut it. After cutting, paste it on the cup. Now paste the pom-poms. And your Christmas tree table decoration is done. Let's make Santa treat holder. For this you'll needing a scissor, glue, black paper, red velvet paper, golden paper and a cup. So let's get started. Cover the glass with red velvet paper. After pasting it will look like this. Then take black paper and cut a belt of Santa like this and paste the belt on the glass. After pasting the belt, it will look like this. Take golden paper and trace a belt piece and cut it. And paste it on the belt. And your Santa treat holder is ready. You will needing a brown paper, a cup, brown paint, brush, scissor, glue and let's get started. Paint the glass in brown paint. After painting it will look like this. Then take white paper and trace a eye. And cut it. Then trace a seam. And cut it and paste the pieces. Then paste a pom-pom as a nose. And reindeer table decoration is done. I hope you you liked the video. If you liked, then like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. And also don't forget to share it with your families and friends. Bye. See you next video.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win.